Hello, hello. Live stream number 107. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and get into it. I gotta set everything up here. Right. Seeing movement already. This is a good thing. Always good to see movement before the session has even started. That is a good sign. Just want to check on my favorite pairs here. And I'll look at the news after. Okay, we still have quite a bit of time before the actual open. Still got 27 minutes before the open, so we got plenty of time. MKKM, how's it going? It is the start of the week. About to be the start of a new month. Got my hair cut yesterday, fresh and ready to go. Okay, yens are still not looking too tradable. Honestly, the GBP and Euro cross pairs are moving a lot. Again, these are kind of hard to trade these days, though. I'm not sure what I'll do with these. Yeah, high spreads, and they're not the most reliable either, so I've really not been trading those very much. We'll see though, that could change at any point. All right, let's check these yens really quick. Okay, like I said, we have movement. I don't see anything super clear as of now, but we also do have 25 minutes before the open anyway. So we got plenty of time. I just want to check the news really quick. Okay, I mean, it's not a heavy news day, but we do have that 1 a.m. doesn't really count. That 1:30 is kind of medium on the GBP. 2 a.m. medium to heavy on the Euro. So those are a factor. Hopefully it won't affect the session too much, but it actually might though, because these are, especially this 2 a.m. one, a little bit on the heavy side. It is also a CHF bank holiday. Let's see what that is. Swiss National Day. So I'm not sure what exactly that is, but the CHF banks are going to be closed, which shouldn't be too big of a deal. It's not a huge it's not a huge currency currently. Tariq Barra, what do you see GBP USD doing? See, dollar pairs. Honestly, it looks like the dollar is still going up. The dollar index, if I had to guess. That seems to be the case. So in that case, you have to check over on the EGBP as well. Like I said, this should be coming up. So in that case, the GBP USD will be going down. But I think it's a little bit too early in the session to call it yet. But if I had to take an early guess, I would say it's coming down. Right. Yeah, we might get our big move up on the EGBP today. It did go up on, what was that, Friday? What was Friday? I can't remember what day it was. Oh, 28th. Yeah, see, it did go up on the 28th after I got stopped out of my trade, of course. And kind of chopped around for a little bit. Now it's on its way down, but I really do think it's going to go back up in a big way. And that'll be either today or for the New York session or tomorrow. But probably today for London session. That should be what happens. Tariq Barra, you said if you look at the daily, hit 68 on fib on this move here. Well, whatever the GU and the EU and the AU and the NZDU are going to do is all based off the dollar. So it all depends on what the dollar does. If dollar goes up, those will go down. If the dollar goes down, those will go up. So that's the case all the time. And like I said, based off what I'm seeing on the dollar should be going up. The dollar index is more important than the individual pairs. I'm not sure if the yen index continues to come down. It is hitting this level here. Yeah, I would say the best trade so far is probably going to be this EGBP. If it goes back up, it should be a big move up. So that is looking like the trade right now. I'll keep an eye out for anything else. We might get some dollar movement today. Maybe. I wouldn't really bet on it, but it is possible. All right, so we still got 20 minutes before the open. We got quite a bit of time. Hopefully everybody had a good weekend. Drinking hot water before my streams now makes it easier to talk for 2 hours. I'm already drinking tea. This tea here, hot water, cold water. I don't want to drink 2 teas. That'd be a little too much probably. Tea overload. And keep in mind it is Monday morning too, so it might not be a super amount of movement today. Like I said, we do have those big news events coming up. Biggest one is at 2 a.m. West Coast time. Basically in about 2 hours. 2 hours and 15 minutes. Gotta watch out for that. That is on the GBP. On the euro. We got some heavy news on the GBP. Medium news on the GBP at 130. So not too crazy today. News events can be good as well. If you're already in a heavy trend, it usually pushes the trend further, faster. So those are the times where I actually like the news events. Yeah, it's looking like it'll be a little bit slower today, so I'd be cool with just one solid 3 reward trade. That's looking like what it's going to end up being, which is fine. I'm sure there's going to be at least 1 or 2 days this week where I can get like 6 reward, 5 reward. So just 3 on Monday is okay. Just 3 any day is okay, really. 3 reward is pretty good. Oh, and just an update for anybody that missed it. So my retake of the challenge starts on the 1st. So I don't know how exactly they do it. I don't know if it's probably I forget what time it is over there in Central European time, but in West Coast time it's like 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. So it's probably that when it switches over. So I think by Wednesday night I'll be able to get back on that. But until then, I'm probably just not taking any trades on my FTMO challenge account. So I'm just going to take trades on my regular account until Wednesday night, I'm guessing. Which is fine. It's like 2 days away. No big deal. All right, still got about 14 minutes before the open. Volume is looking pretty low. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do with these dollar pairs currently. Definitely got to wait on those. Right. Oh, you know what I forgot to check was the Frank. Yeah, the odd NZD, I'm not too sure about this one. I would think if it was any other pair, I would say it's going to continue down, but the odd NZD along with the EGBP is known to reverse very quickly. So it's definitely possible for it to go up here. I'll keep an eye on that one. That might be a good trade too. But for now, my focus is over here. Looks like the yens are still going up. I'm a little bit worried about this here, but it looks like it's pushing through. This is a pretty heavy level though. It's a pretty heavy level here. But if it makes it through, it should just keep going down. So if that's the case, then these will continue going up, which is looking like that's probably what's going to happen. They're all going in the same direction. They're all in a heavy trend. So they probably go up for at least a little bit longer. I'm not sure about, I'm not going to take a trade on those probably. It's a little far. Maybe if it gives me a pullback, I'll do something with it. Right, yeah, like I was saying, I don't think it's going to be super packed with trades today. That's not looking like the case, but should be something. They were going to lower the rates for energy because they know that it's so hot lately. I was like, wow, that was nice of them. Unexpected. I'll take it because it is hot. I definitely have to have the AC on. If it's over 100, you probably have to turn the AC on. Okay, we got about 6 minutes before the open. Okay. Lois, how's it going? Are you trading your account already? It's probably your first day, huh? Okay, we're getting a little bit of a move up here. Like I said, this should be going up quite a bit if I'm right here. I think I am. I'm pretty good. This is actually one of my favorite pairs to trade. So it moves kind of weird compared to everything else, but once you understand how it moves, it's pretty easy to predict this one. The EGBP and the odd NZD are kind of like the wild card pairs. It's kind of I won't say impossible for them to go too far, but since the euro and the GBP are so closely related, it's not going to go too far in one direction. And the same with the odd NZD. These two pairs are very close related, so it usually doesn't trend for too long, and that's why it reverses so fast. So we'll see if I'm right here. If it does, it'll go up really fast, and I'll get in on either a consolidation bar or on a pullback. So that is what I'm expecting there. Dollar pairs, I really don't know yet. I'm not too sure about this here. I'm gonna have to wait. I think the open should let me know what's gonna go on here. All right, you got your live account today. Nice. Yep, if you trade it the right way, there's some life-changing stuff right there. Okay, we got 45 seconds. I'm not expecting too much movement for the open today. Actually, yeah, it might be a long here and possibly a short either here or here. And then I'll keep an eye on the EGBP and see what happens over there. All right, 10 seconds. See what we get. Here we go. Non-violent open. Oh yeah. Okay, here's that move up. I need a little bit more of a confirmation on that one though. Okay, yep. So short on the GU. I think. Yeah. Oh damn, I can't trade that account. I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting. There we go. Trade this account. Okay. 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 I am okay with moving this stop up if I need to, just to here. Might not even need to. I probably should. Actually, no. If it goes above here, I'll let it fail and then re-enter later if I think it's a good move again. So there's that. Possibly too early on that one. Ah. All right, too early on that one. This one is too early to do anything too. All right, so dollar pairs, I'm going to wait a minute. I don't think this is going down. Lois, you said, have you reached your challenge target? No, I have to do the retake. So it starts on August 1st. So I believe it's Wednesday. I'll be back on there. I had to redo it. Like I was saying before, I switched jobs in the middle of the challenge. So I think I just had way too much going on. I wasn't able to focus and everything. So I got to restart it, but that's okay. And like I said, it's going to be the old school version with the time limit, unfortunately. I think we'll see. Maybe they'll give me the unlimited one, but probably not. That was, in my opinion, the only thing that made it difficult was the fact that it was a 30-day time limit. Take that one off. I think I was right though. It might just need to go up a little bit more. Here's the level here. So it might go all the way up there. But yeah, I think it's coming down. Okay. Yeah, I think I was right. Pretty sure I was. All right, I'm gonna re-enter on that one. A little bit too early. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, 59.2. Okay. So that was a re-entry on that same trade, basically. Was a little bit too early. So basically lost that trade for no reason, but that's okay. It's all good. Okay, this move is getting ready too. I need to see it go up a little bit more though. Five arms live. Say, which indicator are you using? I use the 8, 21, and 200 EMA and volume, and that's it. I try to use as few indicators as possible just to keep this as least confusing as possible. There's already a lot going on. I got all these different pairs to be looking at, and I want to make the whole process as non-complicated as I can. Okay, this is looking pretty nice over here. I still don't want to enter yet, but it's definitely getting there. You said, yeah, right? What does that mean? You said, what's your opinion on people saying indicators don't work? Most of them don't work. I agree. I agree with that. Most of them don't work. They're just they're kind of just on your chart for no reason for the most part. Okay, you were agreeing with me. Okay. It must be like an American statement. You say, yeah, right. You're being like, you know, not agreeing. I was going to say, somebody trying to disagree with me. I trade every day. Just look back at the live streams. Literally come on here every day. So I don't know what else to do with that. Yeah, most indicators are just unnecessary. You can do without most of them, I would say. But yeah, the EMAs are good. Fibonacci is good. Volume is good. There's a couple that are good. Okay, you said you are Indian. It must be like an Indian saying. Okay. I think the best outcome here either would be a big move down and then an immediate move back up, or just a big move up. Either one of those two, and then I'll feel more comfortable getting into a trade. But it's just not ready yet, so I'll wait. This looks like it's going to be an engulfing bottom on the hourly chart. So it's very likely for it to continue up from here. Odd NZD. And yeah, it's possible that I was even too early on this one. So if this one fails, I'm not going to take any more. Usually I'll do 2 attempts. If they both fail, I'm just going to leave it alone. Okay, we're gonna move up here. So let's see what happens from here. If it pushes past here, I'll be much more convinced. Yeah, this is why it's not good to take trades that are not in a heavy trend already, because there's a lot of bouncing around that happens. So like I said, if this one fails, I'm going to leave the dollar pairs alone for a little bit. That's the best way to trade. Just wait for heavy trends, wait for pullbacks on those trends, and take those only. It's a little bit more boring and you don't get as many moves, but you don't have as many losses either. When it comes to trading, boring is actually kind of better. Okay. It's chopping around. I'm pretty sure I'm still in the trade though. Yeah. All right. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I was right here. It just has to actually, let's see. This has to actually go up. And then like I said, this should be going up too. So it pushes the trade even faster. Kenneth the Gojo says, what's up? How's it going, man? Good to see you. I don't know if you can hear this dude out here on his motorcycle. Hear a lot of that throughout the night. Okay. This might be the move here, but I need a proper entry. I don't want to have the same mistake as Friday or Thursday, whatever that day was. I tried to go long on the EGBP, got stopped out by like 2 pips, and then went through right after. I'm gonna try to avoid that today. Okay. Yeah, this is probably it. I kind of want to get into it now. Maybe I will. Let's see. 6. Is that what that is? Okay, I think I do get into it now. A little early for my taste, but it looks good. Mostly good. Ooh, that's spread. All right, so I did get in here. All right, the spread is a little big on my my other broker. So let me see. And okay. One of the big advantages of FTMO is that they have really small spreads, even on pairs like the EGBP. So on my regular broker, the EGBP spread right now is 3 pips. On FTMO, it's 0.4 pips. So that is a huge difference, and it makes a big difference when you're scalping, especially. Okay, so I might have been wrong on that, on the dollar, looks like. But this one, I believe I'm 100% correct on. I'll say 90%. You can't have 100%. I'll say 90. So this trade here is only 18 pips away, which is not difficult to get. Does have some resistance to get through though. Yeah, it looks like this GU trade is going to fail a second time, unfortunately. All right. Well, it hasn't failed yet. Okay. So if I could redo today, I would not have taken either one of those GBP trades. This one is fine here. Even technically a little bit early on this one, but this one should be okay. But both of those GU trades were not solid trades. And again, I really can't even count this as technically, this is really not solid either. But like I said, I know how the EGBP moves, so this one should go through with no issue. It might take a little longer than I'm expecting. All right, quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. Okay. Looks like this trade is going pretty good. Timba T, how's it going? Wow, this came all the way down over here. Yeah, I'm not sure about this move down on the dollar. It is kind of... This could be the daily chart move down. The beginning of that. And if that's the case, it's going to come way down. So I'm not too sure about it right now. I wouldn't place any bets on it right now. There's really no clear direction on that one. Like I said, this should continue going up too. But I'm not too convinced on that one either. It is still coming out of a downtrend, so I'm gonna leave that one alone for now. So this is the only solid trade that I see right now. Mostly solid trade I see right now. This is still kind of in a choppy place too. Let's see what these yens are doing. I'm not too sure about these either, really. But it does look like it's breaking through this level though. Possibly. Okay. So yeah, it looks like I will get this one here. So what's that? So I'll be up 200. So not terrible. Like I said, those first two losses were completely unnecessary. That was me being impatient. I'm still thinking I was right here. I'm going to leave this trade up here. So I got stopped out by like, I don't know, 0.4 pips. I'm pretty sure this is going to work. But it's still not good though. I do want to say that. Still not a good trade. But I think I was right anyway. This one here is good. This one is good. This one is solid. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see how heavy this thing is coming down? Yeah, so I am going to leave that on there and just see if it works. It'll probably take a couple of hours, if anything. This one actually might take a couple of hours too. So I'll stay on here until probably around 1 today. I don't see a whole lot of trades happening. Yeah, dollar pair is very choppy. I don't think it's safe to commit to anything on any of these really. Yeah, let's see. I might have even been too early on this one. Okay, so that move down there is not the best sign. But we're still in there for now. Yeah, it's moving a little slow today. Look at what we have here. Oh. Yeah, I keep saying this week after week. The best trades are trades in the middle of heavy trends that are already established. Something like this where it's all choppy and there's no clear direction. Just don't take trades on it. There's no reason to. It's really a 50-50. You want more like a 75-80% chance of your trades being winners, not 50%. That's really too low, even though it's fine because you're getting 3 from every win, 1 from every loss. So even 50% is fine, but why not have a higher win rate? That'd be even better. I need to stop taking trades like this. Okay, so I'll stay on until 1. I'm not going to take any more trades unless something dramatic happens. I do want to see this news event. I believe it's at 1. Nope. Okay, it's at 1:30. I'm not going to stay on that long. So 1:30 and 2 are the halfway big news events today. This 1 o'clock is probably not going to do anything. Yeah, usually when 1 o'clock hits anyway, it's like a little bit of a spike happens usually. So I just want to make sure everything's okay, and I'll just go ahead and let this trade go through. Pretty sure it will. And yes, the recaps are back this week, but like I said, I can't do them in the morning, so they're gonna be probably be up at like 7 p.m. of West Coast time. So it'd be a little bit before I put up the preview for the live stream. Yeah, I had another little revelation on Friday. Friday was such a bad session, but let's see, let's go back to Friday. Oops. Oh, here we go. Okay. So chopped around. Didn't end up going out of this range until 140. So I had probably already left by then. But had I done a buy stop right there, buy stop here, like under the 8 EMA, so I have 18 pip stop loss. I could have done it like that. Since there was nothing actually going on during the session, I could have set a future order for it to go through once I had already gone to sleep, and that would have worked just fine. So that's another thing I'm going to start thinking about doing. It's rare that those sessions happen anyway. Usually there's something within the first 2 hours of the London session, but on the occasion that there's not, that's something you can do to still get the trade to go through, so you don't have to be taking bad trades during the session. Just something to keep in mind. Okay, a couple more minutes here. Like I said, I want to see what happens at 1 o'clock. And that is probably going to be it for today. Oh, maybe not. Okay, one more possible trade. All right, I'll give it a couple minutes. Potentially another trade here coming up. Okay, so there was that news event. Like I said, it was only a single yellow, so definitely not enough to make any difference. It hardly moved at all, actually. Yeah, like I said, this trade only has 18 pips to go. So it's definitely, I would say 80% chance of it going through. I want to take anything else. No. Not really. Okay, so I am going to call it a day there. Not too much action today, but that's what I expected. So at least I got one nice win. So that's a nice $200 for the day. So not too bad. Definitely could have been more though. Well, yeah, I'm not mad at it. So yeah, we'll call it there. Like I said, I'll have the recap up tomorrow, probably around like 7 p.m. I'll go over everything that ended up happening. This trade will probably take another hour or two to actually go through. And then I want to see what ends up happening with that GBP USD trade as well. Even though it wasn't good, I still want to see if I was right. So I will see you guys tomorrow on the next live stream, 11:30 p.m. Pacific time as usual. And I'll see you later.